Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, a complete big data guide to Redshift data warehousing. Content: I'll be introducing myself, showing browser, showing you code editor I use, AWS Redshift definition, and at the end I will be giving you AWS Redshift demo, and at the end we'll say goodbye to each other. About myself, my name is Yogesh Mangela, known as Yogs. I am a AWS certified solution architect professional, senior consultant, senior cloud engineer at Arup.com. I enjoy data science, machine learning, and problem solving. Sports: I love playing cricket and I read books. Show and tell browser. So let's have a look at what browser I use. It happens to be that I use not internet, but Firefox Mozilla. I'm quite used to Firefox Mozilla. It's, having said that, I do not promote this, but people can use Internet Explorer or Google Chrome as you like, as you wish. Let's have a look at history. I've got quite few history here. Bookmarks, toolbar, other bookmarks, toolbar, web page developer, toggle tools, inspect, so on and so forth, get more tools. Help. About Firefox, it happens that I'm using Firefox Quantum 66.0.3 64-bit. Let's close this message. History, I have, as you can see, I have quite few history. View, toolbar, sidebar, bookmarks, history, sync tab, zoom, zoom in, zoom out, reset, full screen, F11 for full screen, F11 again to come out of full screen. So this is how full screen looks like. This is bottom of the page. You can also look at here, bottom of the page, or we can go to one of the news page. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the page. This is the bottom of the page. This is the top of the page. Let's close this. So that was show and tell browser. Next is code editor. There are many code editor available, such as Notepad++, Sublime Text, Atom Editor, and if you fancy yourself, you can use JDK, Java Development Kit, such as IntelliJ or Visual Studio, and there are other available. But I happens to use Notepad++. So let's have a look at demo of Notepad++. So this is how Notepad++ looks like. So this is the bottom of the Notepad++. You can see from 1 line to 21, then 22 lines showing on a screen. Language, it supports many language, ASP, from ASP to Java, JavaScript, JSON, JSP, even R, Ruby. Also supports Python, PowerShell, PHP, Pascal, Perl, text, XML, YAML, so on and so forth. This is a table creating script for SQL Server. So let's close this. Now let's go back to where we were. Next is AWS Redshift. What is AWS Redshift? AWS Redshift is a scalable data warehouse capable of analyzing data across data warehouse and data lake. Imagine you have tons and tons of data in your data lake, zettabytes of petabytes of data in your data lake. It is easy and seamlessly easy to analyze your data. It is 10 times faster than rest of your data warehouse because it uses machine learning uses massive parallel query and columnar storage methodology. What is massive parallel query? Massive parallel query is it uses multiple processors to retrieve one single result or to execute one single query, whereas in traditional SQL Server it uses only one processor to execute a SQL Server query and retrieve results, whereas in Redshift it uses multiple processors. As it is in the cloud, it uses many processors in the cloud to retrieve the data, hence it is faster and efficient. So further ado, let's look at a brief demo of how AWS Redshift looks like on a console, AWS console. So I will again go to Amazon Firefox Mozilla. If I was to click where services, as this is database related, so it should be under database tab. So this is computer, robotics, blockchain, satellite, storage. If you scroll down, there is database. So there it is, Amazon Redshift. If you were to click there, it will take you to the page. Voila. So here you can create cluster. So we will be talking about cluster, query editor, save query, snapshots, security, so on and so forth on this course further down the line. So let's have a look at query editor. Just clicking query editor, save query, snapshot, security, parameter groups, workload management, events, you can handle events. What's new? That is really good page. On 4th of April 2019, about a month ago, they have released new features into AWS Redshift. Amazon Redshift automatically takes incremental snapshot backup of your data every 8 hours or 5 GB per node of data change. You now get more information and control over a snapshot, including the ability to control the automatic snapshot scheduled. So this is a really good service of Redshift. This is why earlier we discussed that Redshift is really important and very scalable. So this is how Amazon Redshift dashboard looks like. You can quickly launch a cluster, open a query editor. We scroll down. If you have a pre-existed cluster, you can launch here. If you minimize this browser, back to our page. At the end, it's goodbye page. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed, just as I have enjoyed demonstrating to you. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon on my next video. Thank you. Bye.